In this video we will make a simple logo. We want a box with the words and another box underneath with the images. Draw a box and set the size. The padlock is unlocked, so changing the width does not affect the height. Holding Shift while we drag scales an object from the center. Select both objects. Pressing E centers vertically. Pressing C centers them horizontally. Dragging the box with Ctrl pressed, we click the right mouse button before release to make a duplicate. We now use the eyedropper tool to select colors from our page and apply them to the new logo. Pressing Shift and Page down moves objects to the back of the page. Copy elements using drag right-click. We scale objects proportionately with the padlock closed.